ureshii is, oh, I'm so happy, because it is actually a simple phrase, a simple sentence. As you can see, means like, whoa, oh, wow. So it's a type of word that don't have actual meaning. Actually, it has a meaning, but it's not a like a abstract meaning, sort of. And it is actually simple, as you can see. And ureshii, well, ureshii, it means happy. Just means happy. So, ureshii, oh, I'm happy. Actually, it should be better translated as, oh, I'm so happy, as it is written in Portuguese here. Estou tão contente. It is actually, oh, I'm so happy. I blah 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 blah. And you can see here an image. Example image. I'm sorry. This girl is really happy. Ureshii. And you can see a lot of sakura behind her, and she's probably living her first experience in Japan, and that's why she's so happy.